Hi friends, many of us we will face some problems during the examinations. The problems may be any type, but I have chosen some tips to overcome the problems during the examinations. If the problem which you are facing during the examination, if the same problem is there in my tip, whatever the tips I have taken, I hope the tips will useful for you. So without wasting the time, I will go to our topic. So the topic same, tips for the exam. So follow the 9 tips to get success in examination. So according to this, I've taken 9 tips. So no need of this explanation, I know. So let's go first one. So go for the exam with basic and proper revision. So whatever may be the exam, at least you have to spend little bit, means within let's hours of time. So you have to know the basic knowledge. So without basic knowledge, you should not go to the exam. So you should revise once proper basics so that you can get the success. Though if any tough question is there, with the basics, you can lead somewhat. So try to prepare the basics and do the proper revision before the exam. Next, the second point, so with proper breakfast and try to wear comfortable dresses. So friends, this is the main mistake we will do during the examinations. So with uncomfortable breakfast and uncomfortable dresses, we will go general to the examination. Don't do like that mistakes. So the day should be started with good and healthy food. So take the proper breakfast. Next, wear the comfortable dresses. So if you wear the uncomfortable dresses, what happens? Your all concentration will be on your setting of your dresses in the examination hall. So if you wear the comfortable dresses, what happens? You can concentrate more on the examination. So don't do this mistake, the wearing of dresses and breakfast. These are the basics for any examination. Next, third point, carry all things that are necessary for the exam, and mainly don't forget to carry hall ticket with you. So this is my general experience. So hall ticket should be the must. Try to keep more copies. If it is necessary, you can use anywhere. So hall tickets, try to make copies of more. Next, carry all the things. You should not think that the next day or on the exam day we will buy. So why? Because if you are going to any exam, your mind will be concentrated only on the things we have to buy. So if you buy before only, what happens? This will make you to get somewhat relaxed, and you can be confident that I have all the things, means like we have all the weapons for the war. So think that and buy the things and keep the things safely, and mainly the hall ticket. So try to keep the protection for the hall ticket. Next, whatever the ID proofs. See, normally in competitive exams they are asking some ID proofs. Try to carry the ID proofs whatever they have prescribed. Next, the fourth one, try to know the exam center address properly and make sure that you are with available transportation so that you can reach the center in desired time. So this is one of the important. So friends, the examination center we have to know first. So first, whenever, see, normally the hall tickets, they will prescribe what is your center. So while seeing the hall ticket, first you have to check the center. Where is the center? Whether we can reach the center in desired time or not. If it is reachable, no need to worry. So if it is not reachable, what happens? Let's check the center and the transportation, how to reach the center. So if you gone all the transportation facilities, what happens? Here also you will get relaxed that so I can reach this center with this transportation. So normally try to check the center before 1 week or whatever the days you require, but try to be confident that you should go to the center within the time. Next, the fifth point, try to reach the center before the exam time and be relaxed, don't be tense in exam. So this is the normal we will do. After reaching the center, what happens? We will see some tension. So no need to worry. Whatever the paper will be there, if you feel tension, the paper won't change. Next, for the examination time, try to reach the center before half an hour or before 1 hour, whatever the time they have given. So don't be in confident that in exam time we will reach. So there may be many obstacles. You know, this is the busy world. You cannot reach in time. Why? Because the busy world, all are in busy. So many obstacles will be there. So you have to reach by crossing all these obstacles. So try to start the time earlier you have chosen. So if you start early, you will reach the exam center early. So try to reach the exam center first. Next, be relaxed and wait for the entry of the exam. Next, the sixth point, try to attempt the question which you know perfectly and then sit, relax and think for unknown question later. So this is the general mistake we will do. First only we will check all the paper and we will think about the question which we don't know. So no need to worry. Why? Because some of the paper you know. So first write the paper and try to attempt the question which you know first. Then if the time is left, means if the time is you have more or if you have less, try to keep the time whatever the remaining time is there for the question which you don't know. So by this we can solve many questions. So this is the first point, try to attempt the questions first which you know that one. Next, keep relaxed, no need to worry. See why? Because you have attempted all the questions which you know. Next, sit relaxedly and think for the unknown questions later. This is the important point. Next, be confident while remembering the answers or tricks to attempt for that unknown question. So some tricks you may be learned, so or you may be practiced. What happens if you are in tension? If you feel some tension, what happens means the questions, whatever the tricks you have practiced, they won't be correct time to strike through. So what happens if the tricks you have practiced, if they need to be strike, what happens? You have to be confident. So because if I sit silently or if I feel relaxed, what happens? The tricks may be remembered during the examination. You have to feel like that. Before only if you feel what will say tension means you cannot remember all the tricks. Next, paper presentation. So normally the paper presentation should have to be neat if you are writing offline exams. So normally the school students or the school friends, whatever the persons, wherever the offline exams are there, here the paper presentation should be neat. So if the paper presentation is neat, the invigilator will feel happy or he may feel somewhat relaxed to do the correction. So if the paper presentation is ugly, what happens? They won't get the interest to do the corrections. So simply they may reject your paper. Next, if it is online exam, the bubbling of OMR sheet or the choosing of questions in the online exams, it should be correct. So don't neglect that presentation. The presentation is important and it should be neat. Next, the final point, finally at last check the question and answers which you have attempted correct or not. So for this, whatever the questions you have attempted, first check that one. The last remaining time will be there, no? So you have to check the questions whether you have attempted or not. So if you attempted correctly, no need to worry. So if there is any chances of changing answer, try to do that in a better way which you have done previously. So if you are thinking that the question you have attempted wrongly, no need to worry. If you have the time and if you have the chance of rewriting again, so try to think whether you will write better compared to the previous. So if you can write, then try to spend the time to write the same question or in the better way. That is the matter. So without knowing, only if you strike the previous question and again if you writing, means you lose there is a chances of losing the marks in the previous and whatever you are writing. So you should be confident that so I will write the question in better way. In that case only you have to strike the previous and you have to choose the better one. So this is the 9 tips. So and I hope the tips are useful for you. Next, finally, all the best for your exams. Friends, as usual I have taken one note. So before ending this topic, so the note is simple, friends. Don't stress, do your best, forget the rest. So if you remember this simple point, you can get the success in the exam. So I hope you have understood total tips.